Thanks for joining me for another nature walk talk. Oh, here's an incredible new friend. You see this groundhog? It's kind of incredible that the animals let us get so close. We're not a threat, and I guess they know it, which is really lovely. And I wanted to share with you that quite a few people are having some difficulties during this season. It's as the leaves fall in the northeast and as the days become shorter, there are many of us who feel sadder, feel a bit depressed, and be alert to your own feelings and be alert to the feelings of the people in your family and friends and your coworkers, and be sensitive to how they may be doing, and perhaps you can give them just some extra space, and maybe you can invite them for a cup of coffee or a walk to let them feel a little less lonely at a time when the seasons are changing. It's a very, very generous and kind thing to do. And if you're wrong and the person is not feeling that way, well, what have you lost? Nothing. You've had a moment with a friend and you've given yourself a chance to get a little closer to someone. And whether you're going to be with someone or with yourself, please take a moment each day to breathe in and take in all that nature can offer us in our continuous healing. Join me as I look at this incredible, incredible seascape. Thanks for joining me on another nature walk talk.